Today, Xiaomi India has launched a new entry-level smartphone, Xiaomi Redmi Go. This phone comes with a pretty basic specification and target audience is also pretty different, unlike the regular smartphone user. Talking about its look, it looks quite similar to the Redmi 5A, which launched in the price segment of 5000 rupees, but later on it was increased to 6000 rupees. Now in this Redmi Go there will be 5-inch HD display with an aspect ratio of 16:9, and in the camera section it is having a pretty decent camera specification Xiaomi had provided. Rear camera will be of 8 megapixel shooter with a single LED flash, and front camera will be of 5 megapixel with AI beauty mode. Now talking about its hardware specifications, Xiaomi has tried to give this best hardware specification in this price range. It is being powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 processor clocked at 1.4 GHz along with 1 GB of RAM. Internal memory will be of 8 GB and which is expandable up to 128 GB. In this phone, dedicated micro SD card slot is being provided, which is a very basic thing, but obviously it's very important too. Now talking about its battery, it is having a 3000 mAh battery, which will I think be enough for a normal day-to-day user. Now guys, talking about some special specifications such as dual microphone system, which reduces background noise with active noise cancellation, and this phone is also capable of taking video in 1080p full HD resolution. So guys, that is all about this phone. Now let's know about its pricing. Xiaomi launched this phone today in a very interesting and attractive price point of 4499, about 4500 rupees, where two color variant will be available. One is black and another color variant will be blue. So guys, that is all about this video. Please let us know what do you think about this phone in the comment section below. Now if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video.